Walmart Family Mobile operates as a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO, using T-Mobile's network infrastructure. While this partnership provides extensive coverage, it can also create unique activation challenges. The good news is that most Walmart Family Mobile activations are successful. Industry data shows that 85 to 90% of activations work on the first attempt. However, 10 to 15% of customers do experience activation problems. Activation problems fall into three main categories. Technical issues account for 60% of problems, including network delays, configuration errors, and device recognition issues. Account-related issues make up 25% of problems. These include payment processing failures, identity verification issues, and complications when transferring phone numbers from other carriers. Device compatibility issues represent 15% of activation problems. These occur when customers bring their own devices that aren't properly unlocked or don't support the necessary network frequencies. The transition to T-Mobile's network, especially with 5G rollout, has created new challenges. This coverage map shows T-Mobile's extensive 5G network, but older devices may not be compatible with these newer frequencies. SIM card recognition problems are common technical issues. The SIM card contains multiple contact points that must properly connect with your device. Poor contact or damaged SIM cards can prevent activation. APN configuration errors prevent data connectivity. The access point name settings tell your device how to connect to the mobile data network. Incorrect APN settings are a frequent cause of activation failures. IMEI registration failures occur when your device's unique identifier isn't properly registered in the network system. Every mobile device has a unique IMEI number that must be recognized by the carrier's network for activation to succeed. Understanding these common activation issues helps identify the root cause of problems. In the next section, we'll explore specific troubleshooting steps to resolve each type of activation failure. When Walmart Family Mobile activation fails, systematic troubleshooting can resolve most issues. We'll walk through a comprehensive 4-step process to get your service working. Step 1 is the pre-activation checklist. Before attempting activation, you must verify 3 critical requirements to avoid common problems. First, verify device compatibility on the Walmart Family Mobile website. Enter your device's IMEI number to confirm it works with T-Mobile's network infrastructure. Second, ensure your device is unlocked if you're bringing your own device. Locked devices from other carriers cannot activate on Walmart Family Mobile's network. Step 2 addresses basic troubleshooting when activation fails. These simple hardware checks resolve 60% of activation problems. Start with SIM card issues. Power off your device completely, remove the SIM card, clean the contacts with a soft cloth, and reinsert it firmly. If SIM card reinsertion doesn't work, manually configure APN settings. Use WAP.TrackPhone as the APN name, leave username and password blank, set MCC to 310 and MNC to 260. Step 3 covers advanced troubleshooting when basic methods fail. These network-level resets address deeper configuration issues. Reset network settings to clear corrupted configurations. On Android devices, clear the cache partition through recovery mode. On iOS devices, update carrier settings in the About section. If automatic network selection fails, manually select T-Mobile Network in your device settings. This forces proper network registration and can resolve persistent connection issues. Step 4 involves customer service verification when technical solutions don't work. Account-related issues require human assistance to resolve payment, verification, or system problems. Contact Walmart Family Mobile customer service to verify account status, confirm payment processing completion, and check for any holds or restrictions that prevent activation. Following these 4 systematic troubleshooting steps resolves most Walmart Family Mobile activation problems. Start with the pre-activation checklist, work through basic and advanced technical solutions, then contact customer service if needed.